Sandoval. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Elizabeth Settle for the defense.
All right, Mr. Sandoval, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Are you the same Manuel Sandoval who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 3142 for the offense of assault family's second offense on August 29, 2023 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, it is, Judge.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the first day of October 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Manuel Sandoval, committed the offense of possession of controlled substance PG1 in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 6 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor. Court
Would find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you deny the motion and continue the defendant on probation. We're asking that you remain in custody until he does the TAP evaluation. We'd like to amend his conditions to include a weekly urinalysis via the IVR hotline and to follow the TAP recommendations. And we're asking that if they recommend some sort of treatment, that it start with the intensive outpatient treatment, Judge.
All right. And what are you doing with the new case?
We're going to TIC that case. It's a possession less than a gram case, Judge, and it's Night Mag 732498.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
We are, Judge.
Probation, what are you recommending?
Exactly what ADA broken described.
Okay. Hank? Hank?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sure. Thank you. All right. Mr. Sandoval, are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
My name is Manuel Sandoval.
All right. How often are you using drugs?
I want to say once a week.
All right. And have you obtained employment before this?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what do you do for a living?
I do custodian work.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No, Your Honor.
Who supports you? Who are you living with?
Right now, I'm living with my my mother. She's disabled.
All right. Okay. Any other questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right. This is what the court will do. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include a TAP evaluation in custody. We're going to follow the TAP recommendations. However, I want him to start with intensive outpatient treatment. And there's to be the UA hotline until further notice. Is there anything else that you need to be successful?
No, Your Honor. That'll be it.
Probation?
Your Honor, I would like to just thought about this. There may be a little time frame before he's actually into the treatment phase of it. So I would also request sober support meetings.
All right, we're going to do sober support meetings 90 days. And probation, we'll do field visits one time for 3 months. And if everything is okay, you can do the field visits as probation deems appropriate. All right, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further, Judge.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Sandoval, from here on out, everything that you do, you need to ask yourself, is this something that could potentially result in me going to prison for 6 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If the answer is maybe, don't do it. You have a choice to make. Do you want to spend your time in prison and in and out of jails or not? You understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Court is calling 2023 CR 3142, State of Texas versus Manuel Sandoval. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Matthew French for Mr. Sandoval, ready.
And are you Manuel Sandoval?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Manuel Sandoval who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 3142 for the offense of assault family, second offense on August 29, 2023 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Your Honor, on or about the 9th day of January, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Manuel Sandoval, did then and there fail to attend and complete Bexar County CSCD's Substance Abuse Intensive Outpatient Treatment Program in violation of condition number 30.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And the state will waive and abandon the other violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 30, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 6 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 30?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court will find 30 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is a proposal, Your Honor, yes.
Yes.
I think state had let it be known to counsel, you know, the drug use was a primary concern. Following the recommendation for amending of conditions to include SATF followed by aftercare. And I know counsel wants to speak on some more things, but that is the proposed recommendation.
All right. So I'm not going to follow that agreement. This is not his first motion to revoke, and I had already previously put those conditions in place, and there has been no follow through.
Well, he's not been into an inpatient treatment program, Judge. He's agreeing to do that today. Judge, just a little bit of background. He was having difficulty. It's referenced in the reports to the court. He was having trouble with finances, keeping jobs. He was doing odd jobs. He's also in this time period, Judge, his father was diagnosed with prostate cancer and has been given only about 6 more months to live, which is the time is ticking on that as well. So he has some other issues that he was dealing with. He understands the situation. He's asking the court to follow that agreement. I understand the court's concerns about it, but drugs seem to be the issue for him, and he's willing to go to that inpatient treatment, Judge. He still has quite a bit of time left on probation, so the court could continue to monitor him after that drug treatment.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Sands, S-A-E-N-Z, Andrade. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
So do you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. The court will request therapeutic community for you. Whether or not you're placed in that is not in my jurisdiction to order, but I know they will definitely not consider that for you if you do not request it. It does not increase the time that you're in custody. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.